Your shoes on your feet, sir. That's fine. How about you put your shoes on your feet? Thank you.
That was a really nice tip. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Come on, y'all. We're about to go. Hey. Hey. Say hey. Y'all, Carson had a fever last night. I had him, y'all. He wasn't falling. Literally had him like this. But say hello. I'm about to take the kids to go get a treat because they were awesome. I had a Zoom call to share our new product launch. We just launched a hair vitamin gummy called Thicker, and it tastes so good. I've been using it for the last 2 months. Before this product launch, I was not even doing wash and goes. Watch out, baby. I wasn't even doing wash and goes because I hated how they looked. My hair just wasn't doing its thing. It wasn't looking right. But I've been using that as well as the serum. And not only is my postpartum shedding growing back, like typically it would be like poking out right here. But my postpartum shedding is, that area is growing back around my edges. And my hair has just been feeling amazing. So, he had a fever, Taylor, so don't get too many sugars.
Yeah, but he did give us sugars upstairs.
He did?
Yes.
Okay. So anyway, they watched Taylor while I did the corporate Zoom. They watched Taylor. Taylor watched Carson while I did the corporate Zoom, so I told her that I was going to take her to go get a treat. They did awesome. I was concerned I was going to ask CJ to come home from work just so he could watch them, but I was like, it's only 30 minutes or so, so they did great. So I'm going to take them to get a treat. You're such a busy body. You're such a busy body. You want to go bye-bye?
No.
You want to go bye-bye?
Want to go night-night? No.
You want to go bye-bye? Yes? Carson, do you want to go bye-bye?
Want to get a treat?
You don't need to take that Camden to the store.
Yeah, because it's only on.
So go put it back on the charger so then when you come home it'll have more charge. Why do toddlers be trying to take their tablet off the daggone charger after like 2 minutes? Like, let it charge. You have your shoes on?
Yep.
Where are your shoes, Carsey Wars? Get his Crocs out of the shoe cabinet. But I'm about to go take them to the store. I just realized like my camera has been in my purse all week, so I haven't done much vlogging. So y'all can get a day vlog, I guess. Yeah, younger day vlog. And if you guys are interested in our new hair gummies or the serum, it helps with like thickening your hair. It has an ingredient in it that is like clinically proven. Not to mention a clinical trial was done. Like they literally did an in-house clinical trial. So I will insert my results right here so you guys can see them. I have results showing my postpartum shedding before in May, and then as of July, y'all go somewhere else because y'all doing too much. Go somewhere else. In May and July, and I also have like a before and after of my hair from June to July too. So I also noticed Carson baby, sit down. I also noticed that hold on y'all, hold on, let's put his shoes on because he is tripping.
Do you have any more of those chocolate s'mores things that I can get them?
Dada.
Oh.
Can. You said can. Now what was I even saying? Oh, another thing I noticed is that I started parting my hair different again too. Initially I was doing like middle parts because I was like over how my hair looked with the side part, and recently I started going back to my side part because my hair is growing so much. So the kids are in my office. They're doing the most. I'm about to cancel this trip to the store because they're doing the most.
No, can't do it.
I can't even get them out the house. Like, how we gonna go to the store? so very hot outside, so this hair of mine has got to go up. I can't take it. I can't take it. It's so hot. Alright kids, do y'all want to go to Starbucks or do y'all want to go to Wawa? Do you want a cake pop?
Yeah,
Come on, Taylor. Okay, Carson is getting upset because it's so hot. I have the car on, y'all, but he's still getting upset. Okay, baby, we're about to go, okay? Yeah. Let's go.
There you go.
Thank you.
Sauce for those drinks?
Yes.
Any napkins for you today?
I already have the napkins. I'm still waiting on the other drink though.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Hello, you guys. My baby Warsi is not feeling well.
You can't do that.
His temp went up again. It's at 99 right now. We gave him Tylenol. We're about to give him Motrin later on tonight before we lay him down for bed. When your child is sick, do you sleep in the bed, like in the room with them? CJ is squinting his eyes at me. No, they're not. They're not gonna say no because CJ said majority of people are gonna say no. Okay, here's my thing.
You know what? They probably like let the baby sleep with them, but we can't do that.
We can't. Let me talk to them, babe. So we recently got Carson sleeping in his bed. He's been sleeping in his bed for about 2 weeks. Every single night, like no mess up. So at this point, he cannot come back to our bed. Like that's not an option. So last night, in the middle of the night, he was crying because he wasn't feeling well. Yeah. So mommy. So I went into his room to check on him. He had a fever. So I was like, babe, we have like extra mattresses and stuff because Camden has like a truffle bed. So I was like, bring the mattress in here. I'm gonna like lay in here with him. Cause I don't like, hold on.
You was doing that mattress.
No, I wasn't. I don't like leaving my baby, any of my babies while they're sick. Like I feel like they need me. I need to be right there. I need to, and I know I'm not in control. I know that I am not in control. God is in control. However, I'm gonna do my best with what I got. Okay, so if I'm right there and something happens to my baby, like I would prefer to be right there opposed to in my room. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. The kids are over here flipping and stuff. So, let's see. All right. Go Cam, do it again. But do not use your head. Watch out, Taylor.
That boy be going like head speed.
Go, Bubba. Cam, are you okay? Why you use your head by mistake? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Stand up. Look at me.
Hey, stop.
Look at me. How many fingers do I have up? Good job.
Watch out, watch out.
Alright.
Okay, this is
Good job.
actual.
Yo, Carson is like clapping over here. Say good job. Clap, clap, Carson. Clap. Clap, Bubba. Babe. He's behind you. Get up. Get up. You okay? Yay! Watch out, Taylor.
Again, bro? Where I poured down the people did not pick me up.
They don't pick you up.
They don't. The teachers don't catch you up.
No.
up?
He said the children don't.
The children don't help you up? Other kids up?
No. You know you don't.
Do you help the other kids up when they fall down?
Don't fall down.
Cam, so you the only kid that fall down? Cam, then be for real.
Even Carson laughing at you.
Okay, ready?
So they don't help you up? You want them to pick you up?
No.
You want them to just say, here, you okay? You can do, even if they don't do that, you can still show them how that it's nice to do that, okay? Oh my God, stop touching me.
I need help.
Okay, it's too much going on. Okay, watch out, Cam. Go sit over there. Cam, right here.
Yeah, kind of.
And I like push this over.
No, you like, so I like this, and you like have to go back and push. So I like this.
Ready? Ready? Okay, ready? Like that? Like that?
Yeah, get out the camera. Oh,
Please. Please, because these knees are sturdy.